Hello everyone, this is Curtis in the kitchen cooking, and what I'm gonna prepare today in my kitchen is some baby back ribs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my pressure cooker to cook these baby back ribs. Let me give you a view of what I'm talking about here. As you can see, these ribs right here, these here are some of these was pork loin back ribs, but over here it states that they are baby back ribs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking them out of the package here, and I'm gonna wash them off real good, you know, just so it'll be real good and clean. And then I'm gonna season up these here ribs here. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back. Let me get it out of this package and see if we can get them all seasoned up here, because they're gonna be good. I'm gonna put them in the pressure cooker, and normally I'll put it on probably about 35 minutes to pressure cook them. And you have to be very careful with them because they're gonna be very tender. I mean, they'll fall off the bone. And once I'm gonna season them up real good. And just let me get them out of the package. Hold on a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have the baby back ribs all washed off. I pulled the membrane off of it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. This is the way it looks. And as you see, I turned it over, and you can see I have removed the membrane from it right there. I took and pulled that skin up off of there. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of that. Y'all know, if you checked out any of my other cooking videos, y'all know I always use some of this here Slap Your Mama season. I just like this here stuff, so I keep using it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this here on here. Sprinkle it like that right there. And just kind of what I do, once I sprinkle this on here, I take and I just kind of rub it in there. Let it kind of soak in like this right here. Just kind of rub it in there, kind of massage it, season off into there. And then take and turn it over. And on the other side right here, I take and sprinkle some more of this right here on it. Just get it all there and let it kind of, soak in. You want to put enough on there and just kind of rub it around right here, just like that. Kind of massage it in there. Just kind of massage it in, and it's gonna give it soak in there. It's gonna give it a really good taste there. And like I say, what I have is I have my pressure cooker right here, the New Wave, and I'm gonna use that. What I already have a cup of water. This right here, right over here, I have a cup of water, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this water right in here. 1 cup. That's all I'm gonna need for it, is that cup of water right there. And what I'm gonna do is, like I said earlier, is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put the pressure cooker on probably about 35 minutes, because we don't want to overcook it. We don't want to cook it too much, because it'll fall apart. It will, fall, all off the bones. So we have this right here, and what I'm gonna do is I want to get it already set, because I have the water in there, and I'm gonna see about setting the timer, and we're gonna get it up to probably we're gonna get it I gotta say probably about, I want to get it up to, let me see what I want to go, and we're gonna give it a little bit more. All right, We're gonna let it get good and warm. It's gonna warm up the water there, and then we're gonna put the baby back ribs in there. We're gonna get them all in there and get them all cooked up. Oh, let me get my pan here. And what I do is I'm gonna take them, and I have my pressure cooker pan that I'm gonna put it in. You'll see, like this right here. This is what I'm talking about. My little pressure cooker pan. As you can see right here. Yeah, that port right there. So I'm gonna take that and put the ribs in here. So let me see if I can get that placed in there. I'm trying to hold the camera and put that in there just to show y'all what I'm talking about. It's gonna go in there something like this right here. See if you can see it like that right there. That's the way it's gonna go. So, and like I say, still just rub some of that season off in there, and I will take it and I will place it, just place it in there into the pressure cooker. So, we got it like that right there. Well, it's warming up. So I'm gonna set that off in there, and I have that cup of water, and you see it's gonna sit in there just like that right there. And I will, shut the top on. I'll get the top all shut on there, and then we're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna set the time for like 30 minutes. But I'll be back. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'll be right back once this finished. Okay, guys, I'm back. Right now, we're gonna check the baby back ribs that I put in the pressure cooker, and I done released the valve to let off the pressure off of it. So let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Look at what we have here. Okay, some good, good pressure cooked baby back ribs. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now I'm gonna have to get that out of there so that we can put some of this here Jack Daniel. Yeah, some of this here right here. We're gonna put some of this Jack Daniel sauce on it. So we're gonna brush that in on there. So now I need to get that taken out of there. So let me find something so that I can get this all taken out of here. I think I have something over here that I can use to get that out of there. Let me see. I think I have something here. I don't know. Let me see. If I can get it out of here. Hold on a minute. Let me put the camera down. Okay, I was able to get the baby back rib out of the pressure cooker, and this is the way it looks now. See, got it out of there. Got it all pressure cooking up. So now what I'm finna do is I'm gonna take them, as I say, I'm gonna put some of this here, this Jack Daniel on there. I'm gonna pour some of this in there, and then I'm gonna take and put it in the oven. I wanna just bake it a little bit, cure it, and I'm just gonna take and, what they say, wipe some of this sauce all over it right here. Just put it in there like that. Just mop it down, as they say. I'm gonna mop this here on here. Put it in there like that. Just, oh God, I don't know, Jack Daniels smells good on here. Ooh. So we're gonna just mop it down real good. Oh yeah. And I set it at, in the pressure cooker, I had it at about 35 minutes. And that way it wouldn't pull apart on me. So I just want to put some of it on this here side here. I'm going to take and pour a little bit more of this sauce on here. Just kind of get it in there real good. Let it run all over it. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to take and just mop it a little bit more right in here. As you can see, just mop it on there real good. All right. So we want to let that kind of soak in there. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and I'm going to take and place it in the oven for about another 15 minutes. I'm going to place it in there just like this right here. You can see, put it right in there. All right. And also, well, you know, I'm fixing that. I'm going to have some broccoli here too. So I always like to have some broccoli with my ribs and all. You know, that it tastes good. A little broccoli and some beans and all, and have a really good meal. So we're going to have something here in a few minutes. So just stay tuned. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to give that about 15 minutes for it to soak in. And I have the oven, well, have it heated up to about 400. So I'm giving it like about 15 minutes just to kind of get that Jack Daniel flavor kind of baked into the baby back ribs. It's just gonna bake through there and like, oh, it's gonna be really good. I can't wait. I'm ready to dig into it, but I just gotta give it a few more minutes. So hold on, y'all. Just hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to get those baby back ribs out of the oven. Let's take a look at them. Let's take a look. Let's see what they're looking like in there. Okay, oh yeah, they look good. Okay, let me slide my oven glove on here and get this up out of here. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, just take a look at that. Look at the way that is looking there. Ooh, that looks good. Let's see. Let's move it around. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that right there. Let me let's see. Ooh, yeah. That looks good. I'm ready to just dig in here. Let me see if I can cut some of that baby back rib off and put on the plate. See, I already plated up, y'all. I fixed some beans and well, you know, I opened up a can of those ranch style beans and put in there. Y'all know I'm kind of country. We used to eat a lot of beans back in the day. Then I have some of that broccoli right here, and I got me some corn to go with it. You know, I grew up on a farm. Used to cook our meals. You know, not like, wasn't nothing convenient. You work out there in the field picking peas, and then, you know, you would go in. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. See that? See how tender that is there, y'all? Oh yeah, it's looking good. Oh yeah. So, oh yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah, good and tender there. Now let me just get some of this here off of here. Hold on a minute. I'm trying to work with my hands here and hold the camera at the same time, but hold on a minute. Let me put the camera on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let me show you. I was able to cut it here and get some of it off there and put it on the plate here. So right now it's time to just try a taste test. Yeah, it's time to taste some of this here. Let me see what it tastes like here after preparing this here. Okay. Yeah, good and tender, I must say. This is good. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's good, y'all. Oh yeah. But I gotta eat some of these beans too with it. I can't just eat all just meat. Eat some of these this here broccoli. Definitely to go with it. Oh yeah. This is good. Hey guys, I'm finna go and finish this meal up. I just want to share this here a little bit with y'all. But I'll be back in the kitchen cooking something else here real soon. But stay tuned. I'll be back. Gotta go now. Gotta go. I gotta finish up my meal.